Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another giveaway. We do a giveaway once a month and the prize will be the VIP lounge papers for the current month. Okay, so I gave you the chance to three of you to win my 3 digital papers plus the letter gift box of this month. But before I'll tell you what you need to do to be entered in the giveaway, let me show you the papers first. Okay guys, welcome to my VIP lounge papers for the month of August. 3 digital papers. The first one is called Love Letters. Each is a 4-page kit. So you have one page, you've got 4 backgrounds. So you've got one page with this handsome man. And the inspiration about this kit was I watched a documentary the other day about Queen Victoria and the letters that she was writing. And I thought, oh, I need to do a kit where we talk about love letters. So you got Prince Charming here, this handsome man. Then we've got another page with a Victorian lady. This is kind of like piles and piles and piles of letters. You've got another page with another handsome, and as you can see the color palette is all the same, so it's kind of like black, white, and this lovely gold beige colors. And then last is page number 4 with a lovely Victorian lady with an umbrella and the lace and everything, and a love letter with the ribbon. So in my head I already have loads of tutorial I want to do with project. I want to do this using the wax seals and create like some envelopes, but we will do that another day. The kit number 2 is called Tea Time. So to stay in the English in the English theme, I have designed another kit, 4 pages. So you've got one page with this lovely background with tea and a teapot full of florals and a vintage bow on a bluish, pinkish, purplish background. You get an envelope, a scallop envelope, and 2 normal size envelopes. I love these. So it's a page with 2 kind of pages. This is perfect if you want to use this as a journal page or as a cards background, because you can simply cut that and use a security card. And then, oh, look at that. I love it. It's my favorite page of the entire month. So it's a page full of 7 tags. So you've got 5 tags on the same size, full of vintage tea mugs and 2 large ones on the bottom there. Okay, so that's that. Then we got another kit. It's called Love Spell. This is very Italian / Spanish inspired. So you got one page with 4 different backgrounds, and I have used the same floral for the letter D, which I'll come in a minute. So you got the lady, writing desk, the elephant, a plain background that you guys can do absolutely anything that you want with it. You have a page full of ephemera. Okay, so you can simply fussy cut them and use them as an embellishment. And then another page with the gentleman holding roses for me and some more, you know, embellishment. We got a chair, a writing set, and the umbrella. What I was trying to think, wanted to give you guys some flexibility. So those 2 kits, so the love letters and the love spell, can be used together. This is why they got similar names as well. So love letters and love spell, because the color palettes are the same, as you can see. So they work because it's a lot of black and red in both kits. Okay, and then last but not least, we have a letterbox. So we started a while ago. So we started with letter A. Now the original letter gift box is on a white background. I have used a pink cardstock to print on it, but the original one is not as pink. It's got white and then these really nice roses. Letter B, which had a cat with the leopard print background. Letter C, last month, very tropical inspired. This month is the letter D, which is this one here. So this was a request from one of my VIP members, which is Debbie. She's asked for her initial of her name to do something pink and floral, but I will probably won't do any more florals because we already got 2 florals, one on pink and one on white. So let me show you what the kit will look like, because it's very easy to pull together. So you get one page, and of course this is printed on, you know, copy paper, but you can print this on a thick cardstock to make the box up. So you got one with all the, this is the instruction how you pull it together, so it tells you section by section or how to pull it together. I also filmed a private video on how to put this together, so how to construct the letter D, which will goes out to the guys. Okay, so when I email the papers, the guys get the video as well. Okay, so they get a video tutorial on how to put this letter D together. So I'll show you, you know, section by section how to put it together. So this is the VIP lounge papers for the month of August. Let me know which is your favorite. This is mine. Okay guys, now you saw the papers. What I need you guys to do in order to be entered in the giveaway, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what projects you will make with the 3 digital papers. I'm very curious to see the creativity and what you would do with these papers. Now the winners will be randomly picked by randompicker.com, which is a website where randomly pick 3 comments on a video. So of course, the more comments you leave, the more chance you have to be picked. So you can either leave 1 comment with the 3 projects that you would do with which one or the paper pack, or you can leave 3 comments, 1 per pack. Say for example, with this paper I will do such and such, etc. Okay, so yeah, leave me a comment or 3 comments. It's completely up to you. Let me know what would you make with these papers. The winner will be picked randomly in the next couple of weeks. Just gonna give the chance to everybody to watch the video. Good luck everyone, and I'll see you soon.